I'm gonna go gambling again. Because that kind of worked last time, I think. I'm gonna do Wisdom of the Sea and Sky, both packs. By that, I mean Ho-Oh and Lugia. So, hopefully this can be good. I'll take that. I'll honestly take that. That's pretty good. I like that. Yippee! Yay. Let's see if Lugia can top that. Hey, stop. Anyways. Please be good. Oh. Yippee! I'll honestly take that. Holy. So, I'm gonna assume Lugia wins this. Because, yippee. Yeah. So, what have we learned? That, if you want to get a good card, make the weirdest noise you can. Making it loud is optional, but if you wanna. Bye bye, this is the end of the video. Good luck to y'all out there.